So the next BambuLab X1 problem video, and I'm really, you hear it in my voice, I'm really annoyed. I had yesterday the massive problems with the, or it was not yesterday, it's Wednesday now. I had the problems over the weekend with the nozzle exchange was the final result. Now it's Wednesday. I was printing yesterday without problems, the half day today. As you can see in the background, it's dark, it's in the evening. And the next problem, I was printing normal. I printed with a transparent filament, not that often printing transparent, so I wanted to remove it from the AMS, and there the problems began. I have to say the print was fine. The printer unloaded the filament without problems. I wanted to remove it from the AMS, the filament, the whole spool, and was not able. It came not out of the feeder mechanism. So I thought, okay, don't apply too much force. Try to unload it again. And that worked. I loaded it. The printer extruded into the poop chute, you know what I mean. Unloaded the filament without message, nothing, all was fine. I tried to remove the filament and it was stuck. That's, I think, how, no, not I think, it was stuck. I cannot describe it different, cause it was stuck. The end was that I removed the other spools. This time it was on slot 2. Maybe you remember my first bigger problems were on slot 1. Not this time. This time it was slot 2. And I had to remove the whole feeder mechanism. I recorded it. After I saw that it is no quick repair, I activated here this little side cam and yeah, recorded it. Really annoying. It was stuck. Here I have the filament. I hope the camera can catch it. That was the stuck side. Let me remove the other side here. Ah, come on. So nothing special, filament, so no brittle, nothing. Come on, focus. Here we are. No idea what happened. It looks like cut it correctly, but then somehow here, this is strange. Yeah, it was stuck. It looks like the mechanism was trying to transport it and grabbed a little bit into the filament, but why is it here thicker? Yeah, okay. Took me too long. Really annoying. And if the printer is printing, it's really a nice piece of hardware, but yeah, I'm getting annoyed. So, really, I don't like to make these videos. I have other things to do than always repair my printer. I have several other printers, and in summary, I had less problems in the last 3 years with the other printers altogether, as I had now problems with the X1 in 4 weeks. And that is, for me, really annoying. Yeah. Time, can we say that? Time is money. This is my hobby. It's not my business. If it would be my business, I would not annoyed, I would be angry. Really angry. I will send this again, as always, to the BambuLab support, and I'm really interested what they say with all the problems. Is this only mine? Is this only my X1, my AMS, Murphy's Law? Have I the Monday machine? I can't believe that. Yes, I'm not the lucky guy who wins in lottery, whatever. But this? No. Okay. Enough of a rant. You see the time lapse or the quick video of my repair. Again, I upload it to Patreon in full length. I'm not happy with this Patreon solution I asked in the last video. Isn't there a better solution for such videos? I don't want to spam my little channel here. To make a second one, Jesus, I'm such a small channel, and then opening a second one, no, that's also not the right thing. So how would you do that if you have such uncutted videos? How, maybe you are a bigger channel. What is your solution to such videos? I like to upload them, but not in my normal videos. Okay, that's for now. See you in the next one.